What's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be helping y'all with the section on the lesson plan, and the section I'm going to be trying to help y'all with is introduction. So first off, I think everything prior to the section introduction, I think pretty much everything above that, like vocab, all that, what you want the students to learn, like your target statement, all that stuff is just kind of like tool-like questions trying to help you plan out the lesson. And then once you hit introduction, I think that's whenever you're really, when you really need to start explaining, like it's whenever you're really going to start explaining what the students are going to be doing in the class, like what they're going to be doing during that lesson. And so it's like whenever your meat and potatoes are really going to start, it's going to be a much longer section than the ones prior. And so what I personally like putting in my introductions is like bell ringer questions or something like that. So like it'll be something that will take probably, it will normally be like 5 to 15 minute section. And so it won't be like the full lesson, like you'll get into that in procedures, but introduction will knock out like the first 5 to 15 minutes of class. So so I like to explain, like the students will come in and get their binders and we'll have a bell ringer question on the board or something, or maybe we have assignments. Typically, like we'll have like finish the class the day before with assignments or a small paper, and whenever the students come in, we're going to be reviewing what they did the day before, like it's like going over how they did on the paper they did the day prior. And so yeah, so it should be 5 to 15 minutes, knocking out the first section of your class, what the students will be doing. And so I hope that helped y'all. And something that always, like, I feel like whenever I first started doing lesson plans, I feel like it was kind of a mental block for me whenever I first did it. I think it's kind of confusing. I think the questions are kind of confusing at first, whenever it's hard to understand at first. But I think if you really plan out, like you plan out yourself, like what you want, what's going to happen in the lesson plan, what you're going to be doing, what you're going to be teaching, getting your teak in there, I think it's way easier to go through and fill it out. You'll save yourself much more time. And once you get that first one knocked out, the rest of the lesson plans you'll do that semester will be so much easier. And yeah, I hope I helped you guys today. And yeah, thank you all.